Hey guys, it's Ing here, and thanks for joining me today as I take down my Christmas decor, then clean the house up a bit. It's bittersweet because we've enjoyed these decorations since the beginning of November, and now the place looks super empty and sad. We moved in here about a year ago and have yet to put anything up on the walls, so I'm definitely going to take this opportunity to think about how I'm going to decorate our home on a more permanent level. I'm so grateful to have the help from both of my boys. We knocked out everything so quickly and efficiently. I'm not going to be chatting much at all throughout this video, but will chime in if I feel the need to explain anything. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and think about what kind of video you'd like to see from me this year. The interesting thing about this tree is that it was from North Carolina, but the seedlings were actually from Washington State, where we are from. I was disappointed that the tree didn't give off any scent, so I just diffused a balsam essential oil. This garland was held up by zip ties, and that is what you're seeing me cut. I forgot to remove the lights beforehand, so you'll see me do that before continuing to cut the garland off. Here's Bentley making his cameo. I can tell he feels left out and wants to help too. Right here, we are taking down the artificial tree. It was Nate's birthday during Christmas week, so that is why those balloons are still up. I'll eventually move them upstairs into my office. I'm very surprised that this is all the decor because I was expecting that it'd fill up more boxes. These will all go into the garage for storage. We did light vacuuming as needed while putting away the decor. Now it is the next day and I'm going to be doing the real cleaning. I always start off the day by doing some laundry and taking care of the dishes. it up for my first video in 2020. Please give it a thumbs up if you made it this far and leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!